In this video, I'll show you how to add your DNS entries in Hostinger. To get started, log into your Hostinger account and open hPanel. Before you add any DNS record, make sure your domain is actually using Hostinger's DNS management. Hostinger's support guide explains that the DNS Zone Editor works when the domain points to Hostinger nameservers. If your domain is registered somewhere else and still uses another provider's nameservers, you'll need to manage DNS records there instead. Once you're inside hPanel, there are two common paths. If your domain is connected to a hosting plan, go to Websites, choose your site, then open Advanced and click DNS Zone Editor. If you only have a domain at Hostinger without hosting, go to Domains, open Domain Portfolio, click Manage next to the domain, then open DNS/nameservers and DNS records. That is where you can add, edit, or remove records. Now in the DNS area, look for the form or section where you can create a new record. Choose the record type you need. For example, you might add an A record to point a domain or subdomain to an IPv4 address, a CNAME record to point one name to another host name, an MX record for email, or a TXT record for verification and security settings. Hostinger's DNS tools support these standard record types through the DNS Zone Editor. Next, enter the values exactly as provided by the service you're connecting. Usually that means filling in the host or name field, the target or value field, and sometimes the TTL. Be careful here, because even a small typo can stop the record from working. If you are adding an A record, Hostinger also notes that you should avoid conflicting old A or AAAA records, because outdated entries can interfere with the new setup. After you enter everything, save the record. Once saved, the new DNS entry may not work instantly. DNS changes normally need time to propagate across the internet. Hostinger says propagation can take up to 24 hours, so if the change does not appear right away, that is completely normal. So the basic process is simple. Log into hPanel, open the DNS Zone Editor, choose your record type, enter the correct values, save the record, and then wait for propagation. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.